Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Kyoto-kan. I'm Ryusei. Today I'll share the recipe of Mabo tofu. As you know, Mabo tofu is a Chinese dish. In Japan, Chinese cuisine is very popular. Mabo tofu is loved by many Japanese people. I've made Mabo tofu so many times, and this is my favorite recipe. The aroma of Sichuan pepper is amazing, and the spicy sauce and mild tofu are perfect match. I hope you enjoy delicious Mabo tofu at your home. Yes, let's make it. At first, cut the Japanese leek. It is grown in Niigata Prefecture. I use both green and white put, about 40 grams totally. Let's mix it. Firstly, make vertical cuts around the leek. I rotate it and make cuts finely. It's okay to mix it any way you like. I introduced another method in my channel before. This is a Japanese method. Probably this is a Chinese method. Recently, I often do this cutting way. I'm sure it's more efficient and beautiful. Good. Then chop it finely. The tip of chopping the leek is to slice the knife back and forth widely without power to remain its moisture and flavor. Good. Next green part, I also mince it. Make vertical cuts again. Okay, and chop it. The green part is more fragrant than the white part and a little spicier. On the other hand, white part is sweeter and a mellow flavor. Using both green and white part will give complexity to Mabo tofu. Okay, I've got the Japanese leek. Next, this is soft tofu, kinu tofu. Kinu is written like this. Kinu means silk in Japanese. We can use both soft and firm tofu, but I like to use soft tofu for Mabo tofu because the silky texture of it is so tasty. Cut it horizontally, then cut it into bite-sized cubes. Good. Like this. Then prepare flavored oil. This is Sichuan pepper. It will give amazing aroma and spiciness. I also use a dry chili. Divide it into half. I use the seeds too. Okay. Put 15 grams of rice oil and 10 grams of sesame oil. The reason why I mix the oil is to add the smell of sesame oil, but neutral smell oil is main. Then add Sichuan pepper and chili. Let's transfer the aroma and spiciness to the oil. Turn down the heat and distribute the oil to them. The tip is to warm it gradually to prevent them from burning. The heat is low. A few minutes later, amazing smell fills the room. Okay, turn off the heat. Strain it in a sieve. Flavored oil is ready. Let's cook Mabo tofu. Please prepare all seasonings and spices in advance. Honestly, I'm not good at extremely spicy food. If you like spiciness, please add more chili or Doubanjiang. This is potato starch and water to thicken Mabo tofu. The meat is a mixture of beef and pork. Originally, ground pork is used for Mabo tofu, but I'm sure beef will give rich flavor to it. Let's cook it. Firstly, put flavor oil to the large pan and spread it. Once the pan is heated, add the ground meat. Stir frying it over medium heat. Then put a pinch of salt. Brown the meat to bring out the flavor maximum and add the roasted smell. Now the juice of the meat is cloudy. This is not yet. Cook the meat more. If we cook the meat well, the juice evaporates and the look is getting transparent. The meat has browned and nice roasted smell comes up. The juice has become transparent, like this. I move the meat to the far side of the pan. The heat is low. Then add Doubanjiang, Tenmenjang, chili pepper, and grated garlic to the vacant space. Turn up the heat and fry them in the oil to boom the aroma. This is so important. Heat them for about 30 seconds. Once the spicy smell comes up, mix them with the meat quickly. Then add sake. Shaoxing wine is better. 6 soy sauce, koikuchi shoyu, and last oyster sauce. This will be the seasonings to the meat. The preparation of the meat is key to make delicious Mabo tofu. I add a pinch of sugar. Sugar makes the spiciness mild and gives richness to Mabo tofu. And that's the water. Stir it. Okay. This is a boiling water. I add a pinch of salt, then add the tofu gently. Warming tofu concentrates the flavor of tofu and improves the texture. Meanwhile, I reheat the sauce over medium heat. The water starts to boil. This is a sign that the tofu is warm enough. Then transfer tofu to the sauce gently as well. Another benefit of warming tofu is that it allows the flavor to soak in tofu better. Turn up the heat and warm the sauce. The sauce also starts to boil. Then add the minced Japanese leek. Mix them. Stir it with the ladle gently. I just put the ladle, not plate. Move the pan like this. Put a pinch of salt and 5 grams of soy sauce. Check the taste. Then add potato starch and water to thicken the sauce. Turn on the heat. Move the pan. And add little by little. Distribute to the sauce quickly. Check it. It's still thin. Again, the tip of thickening the sauce is to add the potato starch and water in several batches. Okay, the texture becomes ideal. I recommend to stop adding it just before the ideal. Then turn up the heat. Fry it well again. Cooking it well allows to keep the thick texture of Mabo tofu. Finally, I add 5 grams of chili oil and flavored oil which I made just before. They add complex spiciness and amazing aroma. Fry Mabo tofu well. Move the pan like this. Perfect. Looks stunning. Let's arrange it on the plate. Finally, put the sansho shimi over it. Sansho is a Japanese unique spice which is ground prickly ash tree. It adds refreshing aroma.
Mabo tofu is done. Let's eat it. いただきます. The spiciness of the sauce and mild tofu are perfect, and the aroma of Sichuan pepper is very nice. In Japan, we often eat Mabo tofu with sticky rice. We love this combo so much. It is delicious.
Thank you. Did you enjoy? Today I introduced how to make Mabo tofu. Mabo tofu is very popular in Japan. And I have a list of Japanese style Chinese cuisine. If you are interested in, please check it. I hope you enjoy delicious Mabo tofu at your home. Thank you for watching to the end. I'm looking forward to seeing you next time. Have a nice day. See you later.